Kajing temu jong ki atli sarkar jala na kabenta ban sedang biang ya kawat kabaar jong kajing temu ban penbeit ya upot usam hapden ke sarkar Meghalaya bat ke sarkar Assam hadian ke jingjia ka belajar ke Shillong Mukroh kani kajing temu ban penbeit ya upot usam menta kan kham simpor no habakran skilat pathai kubor konrad sangma ula pentip bah kajing sisa ula khmilanti ban sedang no hnrei namar kani kajing jia ba khlem khmilanti kumta ya kani ka kam lahap ban pynsuki shwa.
That we have not been able to go forward. I was expecting that this month itself, in this week in fact, we had expected to meet before the unfortunate incident took place. But now with all of this happening, I think situation is slightly complicated. So maybe we may not be able to go for it immediately, though we still strongly feel that this is the way to move forward. We are very much committed to resolving it, and we want to work as fast as possible to resolve it, because that's the only permanent way to ensure that these kind of incidents can be completely avoided in the future. But because of the unfortunate incident that took place, circumstances have changed, and hence we will have to take some time. We'll have to keep having discussions with Assam government and government of India and see when it will be appropriate to have a talk with them again.